Where we're hiking right now. That's the front view where we came up from. Heading up this way.
There's a freaking rat nest here. You know they bring in all kinds of awls. Like women used to put their hair up with those bone awls. Oh yeah. We found them in rat nests like this. Wow. I'll have to show you the fucking awesome one.
We're going.
It's the perfect one.
Going on up here. Take a look up here. Walk with me.
Wow. That's cool as shit.
Walk with me up here. Here we go up here. It's a wild place, y'all. It's absolutely amazing. State line road out here between Arizona and New Mexico.
It's beautiful out here, man.
Yeah.